Question there, an object is placed at a distance of 30 cm from a convex mirror. The magnification produced is 1/2. Where should the object be placed to get a magnification 1/3? Question there. Why does diamond not conduct electricity?
Because it has no free electron.
Which of the following is the most ductile metal? Iron, aluminum, gold, silver.
Gold.
Ductile. Gold.
Again. Gold होगा
Which of the following is used to neutralize the acidity of soil? Quicklime, sulfur dioxide, ammonium chloride, sodium chloride.
Quicklime.
Why?
Because it is base.
Carbon can form millions of compounds mainly because it has a large atomic size and low reactivity, can form long chains and has valency 4, has a completely filled outer shell, can only form ionic bonds with metals. जे पचारि जागो ताको क कोन can form long chains with valency 4. Consider the following statements about olfactory indicators like onion and vanilla essence. Option A, olfactory indicators are used to distinguish between acid and basic solution. B option, in the presence of acid, their smell is lost. In the presence of a base, they retain their original smell. They change color in acidic and basic solution. Which of the above statements are correct?
1 and 2.
1? Science study. 1 and 3.
1 and 2.
1, 2. 1, 2, 3. 1 and 4. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Good. Good. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3 go through from 2, 3, 4. Good. Bubu?
2, 3. 1.
2, 3 option day 3.
1, 2, 3. Half. 1, 2, 3.
कौन दे ला? Thank you. Thank you. कौन हब मान हब
1 2 3 हब मान
काहे के हब कोन
acid base भितर olfactory indicator distinguish
acid base भितर olfactory indicators are used to distinguish between acid and base. Eta first option correct. In the presence of acid their smell is lost. Acid presence रे तंकर lost हुए ना base presence रे lost हुए कोडा
base
ए तो दीटा आंसर पुन को कोटा सन जो किछ बुझे पाइलो आ अब 3 हला इन द प्रेजेंस ऑफ अ बेस दे रिटर्न देयर ओरिजिनल ता माने बेस रे किछ चेंज होइनी दे चेंज कलर इन एसिडिक एंड बेसिक सॉल्यूशन olfactory रो काम कोन
smell रो जणा एसिड
केवल स्मेल को ये करे कलर से तो किसी नहीं ताले 4 ऑप्शन हबो नहीं 1 2 3 What is electrolytic decomposition? এটা তো আসিব রে State two difference between ionic and covalent compound based on their properties.
And it might have a positive or negative charge.
Which compound?
Ionic.
Ionic compound positive and
Negative charge. Free.
covalent compound
Balance. Ionic compound has the high intermolecular force.
high intermolecular force.
Attract the force of attraction.
No. जो other properties melting boiling point
High melting and boiling point ionic bond are low melting and boiling point.
in ionic compounds are high melting and boiling points, whereas covalent compounds are low melting and boiling points. Conductivity
is high in the ionic bond, less in the covalent.
less exceptional case
Graphite.
Ionic bond of after soluble, covalent bond of after soluble.
covalent
Soluble no, insoluble.
water insoluble. Write the chemical equation for the following reactions and identify the type of reaction. Action of heat on ammonium chloride.
NH4Cl, heat gives to NH3 plus HCl.
NH3 ammonia gas plus hydrochloric gas. Type of reaction
Thermal decomposition.
thermal decomposition. It will get sublimation. It will get sublimation. Reaction of calcium oxide with water. Siddhi,
Calcium oxide with water, calcium hydroxide and heat.
calcium hydroxide.
And heat.
Type of reactions, Soumya.
Decomposition.
Combination.
Yeah.
Combination and
Exothermic. Combination and
exothermic.
heating of gypsum at 373 Kelvin.
Plaster of Paris is obtained.
Reduction.
Thermal decomposition.
जो process
Thermal decomposition.
process is dehydration. Reaction is thermal decomposition. Dehydration. During a discussion on metallurgy, a teacher asked students to compare the methods of extracting metals from their ores based on the reactivity. Highly reactive metals like sodium, magnesium, aluminum. Moderately reactive metals like zinc, iron, and lead. Low reactive metals like gold and silver. The teacher asked why gold and silver are found in a free state in nature, but metals like high reactivity zinc and aluminum not found in free. Why can gold and silver be obtained by physical methods from their ores?
Because they are found in the free state, evaporated and separated by their physical properties.
Arrange these metals on decreasing order of reactivity. Sodium, zinc, gold, aluminum.
Sodium, aluminum, zinc.
Is he correct?
Yes, sir.
So ठीक कहला तो देखो explain the method used to extract zinc from zinc oxide. Zinc from zinc oxide. Carbon reduction. Good. Reduction with carbon. Zinc oxide plus carbon gives zinc plus carbon monoxide. Soumya, write the general formula of alkane, alkene and alkynes.
So CnH2n plus into 2 plus 2 is alkane, The alkene is CN H2N.
सीधे
Sir,
alkyne.
alkyne CnH2n minus 2.
Very good. Babu, draw the structural formula of the first member of alkyne series. Karnataka.
Methyl.
Methyl. First member of alkyne.
Ethyl.
Methane run ethyl. But acetylene. Formula C2H2. Why are alkanes called saturated hydrocarbon?
Because
They
they
have
have
a
a single bond
between
with
them.
carbon.
There's carbon single bond with carbon atom.
Sanu, why is electrolysis is used to extract aluminum?
Because aluminum is highly reactive than zinc.
Aluminum requires electrolysis because
It is more
it is highly reactive, more reactive, and cannot be reduced by carbon. In contrast, zinc, which is less reactive, lies below the carbon, so it can be extracted by reduction with carbon. A compass needle is placed near a current carrying wire. The deflection of the compass needle decreases when the magnitude of the current in the wire is increased. Reason is the strength of a magnetic field at a point near the conductor increases on increasing the current.
is false.
Is true?
R is false.
Again, assertion is a compass needle is placed near a current carrying wire. The deflection of the compass needle decreases when the magnitude of the current in the wire increased. Assertion is false.
Reason is true.
Reason is true. Option?
D.
Or D.
So भूल भाल ले ना कौन सी?
D.
तुम अब कौन पाठ पढ़ी?
D.
Bubu, a person cannot see object nearer than 75 cm, but can see clearly read the banners placed on the roadside from a distance. Name the defect of vision he is suffering from.
Hypermetropia.
Hyper.
Metropia.
Good. List two causes of this defect of vision, Sumya.
Sir, the eyeball becomes small, increase in focal length.
Increase in
Focal length.
how can it be corrected, Sumeshri? Convex lens with suitable power. By using convex lens of a suitable power by suitable focal length. For hypermetropic defect, where is image formed?
Behind the retina.
Behind the
Retina.
a washing machine has an electric motor and an electric heater. The resistance of the heater is 28 ohm. Copy रहेगा. The resistance of the heater is 28 ohm and main voltage is 220 volt. A washing machine has an electric motor and electric heater. The resistance of the heater is 28 ohm. The mains voltage is 220 volt. State the equation linking voltage, current and resistance.
V equal to I by R. V equal to IR.
I equal to V by R. The V equal to IR. Next, show that the current in the heater is less than 10 ampere when it is working. So that the current in the heater is less than 10 ampere when it is working.
I 8.8 after.
8.8.
Good.
8.8 that is less than 10 ampere.
Good 8 ampere.
8.8 ampere which is less
220
than
by 28, which is nearly equal to 7.86. Which is 7.86 less than 10 ampere.
10 ampere.
A man noticed a power cut in one of the rooms. Upon inspection, he found that the fuse had melted. His father explained that this happened because too many devices were connected to a single socket, leading to an overloading. Aman also observed that the wiring system was a parallel connection, which helped isolate the problem to one room. Why are household circuits in parallel, Siddhi?
Because if any the connection cut house.
English rekho. Sumya?
Because when one device is fused, another was not affected.
Sanu?
if one of the device appliances got short circuit and the other devices are not affected by due to the parallel connection.
Appliances operates independently. If one fails or switched off, others continue to work without interruption. गोटे फेल बा स्विच अफ हेले अदरटी विदाउट इंटरप्शन रे से भी कंटिन्यू काम करे each appliances have its own switch or convenience. The overall resistance is reduced, allowing efficient current distribution. Next question. Why is a fuse important in an electric circuit, Bubu?
So because it protects the devices from
A fuse
to prevent short circuit.
A fuse protects the circuit by breaking the circuit if the current exceeds a safe limit. If the current exceeds the safe limit, this prevents damage to appliances and reducing the risk of fire caused by overheating or short circuits. What is meant by overloading and short circuit?
When high amount of current is flow.
Then that of equal that is known as overloading. When the live wire and neutral wire comes in contact that leads to short circuit.
Overloading, not short circuit. Short circuit? It happens when a low resistance connection forms between live and neutral wires, causing a very high current to flow, which may result in damage or fire. A heater 1000 watt, a fan 100 watt, and a bulb 40 watt are used together for 2 hours. Heater is 1000 watt, fan is 100 watt, and bulb is 40 watt are used together for 2 hours. What is the total energy consumed? Energy equal to E equal to PT. 2 hours.
2.28 kilowatt.
Very good. 1140 watt. Sum of powers is 1140, which is 1.14 kilowatt. Energy E equal to power into time. Power is 1.14 kilowatt into time 2 hour, which is 2.28 kilowatt hour. 2.28.
Kilowatt.
State the law of refraction of light that defines the refractive index of one medium with respect to other.
Refraction.
No, Sumeshri. State the law of refraction of light that defines the refractive index of one medium with respect to the other. The ratio of the
Snail's line.
Snell's law, the ratio of the sign of the angle of incidence to the sign of angle of refraction is always constant for a given color and a pair of media. Sin I by sin R equal to constant. Name the device, type of lens or mirror used in following cases and draw a ray diagram to show the image formation in each cases. Object is placed between the device and its focus. The enlarged image is formed behind it.
Concave mirror.
Concave mirror, very good. The object is placed between infinite and the device. The image is formed behind the device between its pole and focus.
Convex mirror.
Good. Ray diagram for convex mirror.
Convex mirror behind the mirror.
So, ray diagram. The object is placed between infinite and the device. The image is formed behind the device between its pole and focus. Where is image? Can you image to the cover?
Inside
Good idea.
focus and pole. Focus is how much image focus.
ଏଗୁଡ଼ାଙ୍କର ଫ୍ୟୁଚର କିଛି ନାହିଁ,
ଲାଇଟ୍ ସେ ଗୋଟେ
ତୁମର ଭବିଷ୍ୟତ ହିଁ କିଛି ନାହିଁ, ଅଲରେଡି ଅନ୍ଧାର।
ଅନ୍ଧାର ପୁରା ଅନ୍ଧାର ହେଇଗଲା।
ଦେଖ ইনফিনিট মানে যে কোনো অবজেক্ট জায়গায় রইলা, সপোজ এইটা রইলা অবজেক্টটি, এটা কো মিরর কনভেক্স, কনভেক্স মিররটা কোন ডাইভার্জিং নেচার, কনভেক্স মিরর নেচার, তাহলে এটা ফোকস বাটে ଯିବା କଥା, ସେ কোন হবো এই ফোকস সিধারে কোন পড়িব, উপরে পড়িব, কোন উপরে পড়িব, यही जो फोकस रे से देख एटा हला डॉट डॉट करी देखिबो बुझे पेलो सेही फोकस सिधारे डाइवर्ट हो गेला बुझे पाइला ना नंबर पसला तापर सपोज सेंटर ऑफ कर्वेचर दे दो सेंटर ऑफ कर्वेचर में এটা তো এপটে লাইটটা জীবনে মানে ইয়ারি সিধারে আসিব তারি সিধারে ইয়ে পাস করিয়া বর্তমান এই দুইটা जो ইমাজিনারি লাইন जोटी डॉट करू এটা কোন হলো
Image.
বুঝি পাই তাহলে between pole and বা between device and focus behind the
Mirror.
device the device like behind the device between device and focus. Next question. An object is size of 8 centimeter placed at 40 cm. An object of size 8 cm placed at 40 cm in front of a convex lens. The real image formed at 28 cm from the lens. The real image is formed at 28 cm from the lens. Then find the focal length. An object size of 8 cm placed at 40 cm in front of a convex lens. A real image formed at 28 cm from the lens. Then find the focal length of the lens, magnification of the image, height of the image, and the nature of the image.